Yeah, that is amazing idea. I never ever thought before. Yeah, yeah, that is amazing. I mean, we can punish ourselves that this is my favorite dish and I'm not going to eat it for 15
Eat
days.
this. Yeah,
Yeah.
15 days.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
how are you? I'm doing good. And you?
I'm also great. Okay,
Okay.
so I would like to you that you introduce yourself so that we can move ahead in our conversation.
Okay, sure. My name is Neetu Vishwakarma, and I am from Lucknow, UP. And I have completed my post graduation in English literature, and then after I have completed my BA, and and now I am mother of two and preparing for competitive exams. Along with it, I am just running a YouTube channel with the name of Empower with Neetu, and just practicing English here.
Oh my God, so many things you are doing in at one time. Multitasking,
Yeah.
I must say. So please tell me how can you manage all these things? What is your
Yeah,
secrets?
yeah, my approach is just initially I faced so many problems. I just struggle a lot for finding time for myself, but at the time passes, I manages everything, and now I'm managing everything properly. But sometimes it's I became tired and just. But if you have some desire and you want to do something, then you can like the way will definitely search you and you will definitely search a new way to do things. So I started just studying, but then I just realized that I need English practice also because it's my subject and I'm not good in spoken English. So I just started practicing and just joined clapping, and then after I got so many people for to practice, and along with it I'm managing my study also,
Oh,
and
yeah. You have
household chores are,
two kids also.
yeah, two kids.
Oh, yeah, amazing, amazing. I mean, everybody, whenever I talk to someone, I mean, people tell me that, please tell me how would you manage, I mean, how can you manage your time to with all this stuff? So I always tell them that time management is also one kind of skill and we have to learn it, that how can we use our time as much as possible. But here you are, that I need to learn from you that how how can I mean, how you can do all the things at one time. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah,
So
just managing.
yeah, I would like to one question, like whenever we talk about time management. Okay, so time management, what is the meaning, exact meaning of time management according to your opinion?
Yeah, just time management means if you have like everyone has 12, 24 hours, and there are so many miscellaneous work which you have to do necessarily, and if you are a mother, so you have lots of work. So every people have their own work, and if you have to complete your task in given time. It, it it should be called time management, that if you are going to appear in exam, so before that exam you have to practice a lot to to do time management in exams. So time management is nothing but just practicing your work, to do work on time, and finish your work, your task on time. I think so.
Yes,
It's a time management. Because if you will not complete your work on time, and then you have so many works, then the other will be work will be delay.
delay. Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yes, absolutely, you are right. And whenever I mean, if somebody asks you that, please tell me any tip, that how can I'm so bad about time management, I cannot use my time. So what is one tip you would like to give?
Just in this time, I just want to tell for time management, people should reduce watching, wasting their time in social media platform unnecessarily. If it's required, then use those things. Otherwise, if you have another important work, so give your time to that work, and nothing like that to management time. And now I'm just doing all this work because I'm not giving so much time on my social media platform where no need to do those things. If it requires, then I uses those things. Otherwise, I never use those things.
Yes, yes, you're right.
And
We
I can
just,
save by
yeah,
yeah, I can save my time by this.
yes, you are right. Yeah, once we start scrolling our social networking site, Facebook, Insta, and many more, Twitter, then subconsciously, I mean, we just come over there for one thing, but we start
One thing.
scrolling for half an hour, for 1 hour, and we even don't realize that we are wasting
Yeah.
our time. Yeah, people don't
How much
realize.
time we are
Yes,
wasting?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
never. Even I also do this thing before because if you don't have any work, any goal in your life, then you will always
Yes,
spend your time on your social media, on Facebook, WhatsApp, or anywhere because you have so many times. But if you have something in your mind, there any goal or any task to do, then you will definitely it will trigger your mind to you have some other work. And one thing I also tips you can say, if you are doing these things regularly and if you are telling yourself that I have to do, I do not have to waste my time, but you are doing the same, then
yes,
you should punish yourself for this. If you
yes,
wasted your time, then you should punish yourself. You should punish yourself by anyway, not to
yes,
punish, but not corporal punishment, but like this, that if I will use more 1 hour on Facebook unnecessarily, then I will not take this thing. I will not take my tea today
yes,
or
yes,
like
yes.
this.
Yeah, that is amazing idea. I never ever thought before. Yeah, yeah, that is amazing. I mean, we can punish ourselves that this is my favorite dish and I'm not going to eat it for 15
Eat
days.
this, yeah,
Yeah.
15 days. Yeah,
But for
by this
this,
way you can
you
remind
know,
yourself.
Neetu, I must say that you are a very good person in terms of learning things and giving new ideas. Like we know everything, and everybody knows everything.
Everything.
There's nothing new like we are talking about, right? But we are not able to follow all these things.
Follow,
So
yeah.
yeah, so that
Everyone knows things.
yes.
Yeah,
So here, what matters? Willpower, isn't it?
yeah,
How much willpower you have and how much you take things seriously, and you how can you get rid of your laziness.
yeah, yeah.
These things I think everybody knows, but there are few people who can work on it and who can change themselves, and lots of people just think.
Oh, yeah,
They don't
yeah,
execute anything in their life, and that's why they don't get anything in their life, isn't it?
yeah. Yeah, sometime I saw people made goals, made timetable that I have to do these things. I have to study a lot. I have to, but only in mind they are thinking to do like tomorrow I will do. They are delaying things, but not executing. Yeah, you are right. But it's before doing nothing, you will get nothing in your life before executing those things. So that's why I'm telling you, tell yourself, no one will push you to do those things. You have you are the person, you have to do everything. You have to motivate yourself also, and you
Yes,
have to punish yourself because you are in that stage that there is no teacher, there is no like people who will teach you, who
yeah.
will beat you or scold you for your doing.
Each and every day.
You are making mistakes.
You're not a
Yeah,
student anymore, a school student anymore.
yeah,
You are a
yeah.
student in life, and you have to learn things from life itself. Yes, yes, you're right. You're right. Okay, now tell me anything you ask or anything you want to say, because I am asking a question like again and again.
Okay,
Anything?
it's okay. No
No,
worries.
so I'm just telling you
Yeah, just I
anything
want
in
to
your head. So please tell me. Yeah.
yeah, just I wanted to ask before like what is your like dream, any dream which you want to like accomplish in your life?
Okay. So there, yesterday I talked with one girl and we talked like dreams and goals, and she started telling me that what is the difference between goal and dream. Then I was okay. Then I took time to think about that. Then I told her that when we talk about some realistic things, so in my perspective, we can relate these things with goals. And when we talk about kind of unrealistic things, so we can say
Yeah,
like dream, like
dream.
I want to fly in the sky. Okay,
Yeah,
like bird.
imaginary thing. Yeah,
Yeah, like
imaginary word.
imaginary. Yeah. So you told you asked about my goals, right?
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes what happens if you have any goal, certain goal, and you are so much dedicated to your goals to for pursuing your goal, then it will come in your dream also, and it would be your dream also.
Yes, yes. Nowadays people say if you say dream, then it will never going to happen. It is not going to happen because it is dream, and in dream is always come.
Yeah,
Dream always comes during your sleeping time,
in
so it's not real.
living.
Okay, okay, so okay, yeah, there are many things in my life I really want to do, like fun activities and goals also. Like I want to become a famous successful YouTuber. This is not new
You
anymore.
are, you are, you are. Yeah, I think like you are in the way, on the way, and you
Yeah.
are in that direction. Yeah, many people know you, and your channel is also flourishing day by day.
Yes, yeah, I'm trying to do so, and I hope that it will. I will do better in future as well. And apart from that, I really want to become a fluent speaker. Fluent. Whenever I say fluent speaker, that means like I said so many times, like a news anchor, where a news anchor moderate different debates, and they schedule some discussion, and they talk continuously without any mistakes, without and with fluency, I mean fluency and accuracy. So I really want
Accurate.
both things. And not only in I mean I really want to achieve every aspects of English language, not only fluency, not only accuracy. I really want to work on my voice modulation. How can I speak words in appropriate way, where I need to stress more, where unstressed, like these
Intonation.
things. Yeah, you can understand better than me. I know.
Intonation. Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
Yeah.
so these are the things. Pronunciation, I there is I mean still there is long way to go for me, because I am very bad about pronunciation. So yeah, there are different aspects of English and I need to work on it. And apart from that, there is one, I mean I don't know, desire inside of my heart, or you can say like goal or dream, that I really want to become like a public speaker and motivational motivation. Yeah, so yeah, these are like my things. Influencer, you can say. So I
Yeah.
right now I'm working on my language, but once I will achieve my thing, then I will definitely work on these things as well.
Definitely, you will do because nowadays you are talking with so many people, and this is the quality of a public speaker to attend so many people, address so many people, and just after getting fluency in your language, you can do those things what you wanted to do.
Yeah, thank you. I hope that I will do. And I just work on it, and I know that I have my own doctrine. If I'm a hard worker, so nobody or nothing can stop me. And this is something fact in
Yeah,
in
definitely.
life. Yes, if you work hard on any field or any segment, you will achieve. The matter is only that time, how much time you will take, or
How much time you are giving? Yeah, you are like perseverance. Yeah, now you are like doing these things with perseverance,
yes,
dedication or not. Because
consistency.
some people are started with so many that with enthusiasm, and then after they quit.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
but no need to be disappointment, and no need to quit. Just continue the journey, and
continue.
definitely day by day you will improve. Yeah, so
Once you
yeah, it's a very necessary.
Yes, yes. You know what? Once you start your journey and you are very serious about anything, then slowly you will get clues, you will get links, and automatically you will get things, and you, on the basis of those things, you will get your upcoming goals. You just need to
Definitely.
stick with this thing.
Stick
We
with this
always say
your
that
goal.
never
Yeah.
give up, never give up. That is perfect
Yeah.
phrase if you really want, if we really want to achieve something in our life. Never give up, never give up.
Yeah. 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 There is a phrase, I don't know what to say, but you don't stop and don't run, but keep walking. Don't stop. Keep
Yes,
walking and like on your way.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, you are right, you're right. And this is something I really need to learn, because I'm always in a rush, and and in this rush I make mistakes. So I need to learn, and I need to keep calm myself. And I learned, actually I learned, that earlier I have the anxiety inside of my heart, that I put so many put a lots of efforts, and I was not getting that result. And I was restless about myself, that
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Yeah. It's
feelings.
happened with
It
me.
happens, I think, everyone. Then I
Everyone.
realized,
After
yeah,
some days.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Then I realized, no, you are like want everything in a rush way, and this is not a good approach or good attitude towards learning anything. And especially if we talk about language, so language takes
Language.
time. It's not
Takes
like
time.
the
Even
3 months, 6 months. You need to learn. Even whole life is less for learning and indulging yourself into a language, right?
a language, yeah, and it is a foreign language,
Yes,
not our own language.
yes, yes, yes. So nowadays
Definitely,
I'm
you
in.
are very true, and your ideas are so good. Like, and your approach is also very good to learning anything.
Yeah, nowadays, I'm just enjoying my journey of learning English, and try to find new ways, so that I feel that I'm not learning anything. I'm just playing something. I'm enjoying some.
Yeah,
Yeah.
enjoying. Yeah, yeah. It's definitely it's happened with me also. Initially, when I started, I stuck so many times, and that after some time, I was disappointed with myself that what I'm doing. I'm doing so many mistakes. I'm stuck in so much, and what I'm doing, and I was like in not in good space. So that time I like I started talking, and after some days I feel like yeah, I'm enjoying. And when once you start learning with enjoyment, then it will
Yeah.
be like fun for you talking.
Yes.
And
Yes.
like especially speaking, because you are producing day by day something. And if you are producing and you are watching your own videos and your conversation, that would encourage you, and that gives you motivation that yeah, I'm one stage up with my earlier stage. I'm doing something good today. And this also requires that don't like, if you are making few mistakes, like, and if don't focus on those mistakes, but if you are using some new word, focus on that today I
Yes.
did something. Yes, I did something good, and I'm just growing. I'm
Yes.
growing day by day, and I'm learning.
Yes. 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 Absolutely. Yeah.
Approach should be positive towards anything,
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. You're
learning
right.
anything.
You're